The case about Arambol CRZ violation on the beach at Girkarwada came up before the High Court today. The High Court has now directed the Sarpanch to tell by Monday to the court whether he is himself ready to demolish the ground plus 3 building constructed by him. He will have an opportunity to tell the court by Monday about this. Thereafter, the High Court will take a call based on this statement, whichever he is making before the High Court. As far as structure of in the neighboring plot is concerned, which was that party had undertaken to demolish by itself, there he made a statement before the High Court today that third floor has been already demolished. Now this was just a statement. We'll have to verify it at site whether actually the third floor has been demolished. And the moment we verify it, we'll tell the High Court whether it has been actually demolished. This is as far as that structure is concerned. And as far as other structures are concerned, the inspection report has been produced by the CRZ authority showing more illegal commercial structures. The High Court has directed that the Pollution Control Board should look into this and take appropriate steps as far as commercial activities are concerned. And the High Court has permitted the CRZ authority to submit further report based on the inspections which will be carried out henceforth.